see, there are two parts. One is in the front and the other is in the opposite. Hello, Maria, nice to meet you. Hello. So this is the invisible door lock. We can pick this one to pull and the door will open. Okay. And also it's still material. And in material you want to know, you want to get, just tell us in the screen. Alright, Kenny, nice to meet you. Hello. And different friends, new friends, or old friends from the world, nice to meet you. Welcome to my studio. Thank you for your supporting, and thank you for your share in the screen. If you want anyone see this product in the stand, just share this link to your friends, to your partners, to your business friends. All right. Okay. Now I will check this size. This diameter. This diameter is about 7.5 centimeter. Okay, and here is about this size, as you can see in my hand. Okay, now we will also match the screws for sure. Now